question, solution, remove a fragment. All right, let's look at the question. Given a string in which the letter H occurs at least twice, remove from that string the first and last occurrence of the letter H, as well as all the characters between them. And in the hole in the ground there lived a hobbit. So this is the first occurrence and the last occurrence. And if you look at the output, it says in the there lived in, oh, sorry. There we go. In hobbit. Get rid of the H and get rid of that H. Okay, so if you remember in 5.5, we had a way to get the first and last occurrence of a character. I think it was F. That's why I like using functions, because sometimes they come in handy. So let's just grab part of our code, Control C, from 5.5. If you want, you can take a second to copy it. That's get first, remember? And actually it was looking for the letter F. So let's just say character. Instead of F, I'm just going to find character. Oops, I'm not going to find F. I'm going to find character. So it's going to take two parameters, a string and a character. And that returns the first occurrence of a character. And it returns -1 if it doesn't find it, if you remember. Whoops, Command Z. And get last will take in a string and a character as well. And instead of F, let's see if it equals a character. So now I have my first and get last. So all I have to do is take in a string, get some input from the user. So words or string equals input, open brackets. And we want to get the first occurrence, we want to get the first occurrence of let's say H. So we can say get first, and we can send in words and H. It'll get the first occurrence of it. And of course, our last occurrence, sorry, I should say get last. I'm going to send words, and I'm going to try and find the letter H. Sorry, not the character H. We need the letter H. Okay. But that doesn't do anything. It just gets the first occurrence of H. Now, what do we want to do? We want to print, basically we want to print words from 0 to the first occurrence. Get first, right? We want to print from 0 to the first occurrence. Let's name this first H, last H. So we want to print words from 0 to first H. And then we want to add words from the second from the last H to the end. But we don't want last H. We want to include, do we want to include this last H? No, we don't. So we add 1. Last H plus 1. Let's run this code. Oh, for God's sakes. I hate when that happens. Refresh the page and run my code. And I'm going to say, in the hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. And character is not defined. Where? In what line? Line 3. Oh. Fix that. Let's run that again. In the ground there lived a hobbit. In Tobbit. Looks like it's right. Do you want to see that again? I get the first occurrence of H. I just use my function. I changed F to H. And I modified my function so it taken a general character instead of looking for F. I said get last. And then I printed from words from 0 to the first occurrence of H to the last occurrence of H. But I didn't want to include the H all the way to the end. If I submit, it's all right.